Meet the shoebill stork. Standing nearly 5 feet tall, this bird looks more like a dinosaur's cousin than a harmless bird. But here's the twist. The shoebill has been branded as the world's dumbest bird. Why? It can stand frozen in one spot for hours, staring into nothing. Put food right in front of it, and instead of eating, it might waste hours just deciding. Their decision-making is so bad, people joke their IQ is below 0. But don't laugh too quickly, because when this bird opens its beak, the sound it makes is pure nightmare fuel. Imagine a machine gun echoing through the swamp. That's the shoebill's call.